Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix incoming call not showing on Oppo phone. If you are facing the similar problem, so let me show you how you can fix it. So first you need to check if your mobile is on do not disturb mode. If it is, as you can see here, then just disable it, because on do not disturb mode you won't receive any kind of incoming call. But if you are still facing this problem, then go to settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, go to app management and from here search contact. Then after selecting contact, make sure all the permissions are enabled. As you can see, now all the permissions are enabled. After doing that, go to storage usage. Then tap on clear cache. After doing that, tap on force stop. Now after doing this, your contacts are completely reset. Now whenever the incoming call comes, it will directly appear to your home screen. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.